Hey guys, today I'm going to make some Spam and rice. So let's get toasting. I'm going to do this in my toaster oven, but you can do it on the stove top as well. So I'm using a 10-inch cast iron skillet, lightly oiled, 1 cup of Jasmine rice. It seems to soften up better than some of the other types of rice in the toaster oven. And I'm also using 2 cups of water. It says to use 1.5 cups, but I use a little bit more when I'm doing it like this in a toaster oven because it's uncovered. And I have about half a can of Spam here, and I made this the other day to try it out. So someone asked me how you store the Spam. I just put it in a plastic bag and stick it in the fridge. So let me cut this into cubes real quick. Now I'll get these Spam cubes in there. And I'm also going to add a handful of frozen peas. If you don't like peas, you don't have to add those. Or you could probably use mixed vegetables if you'd rather. So I think that looks pretty good. Maybe just a little bit more. Maybe about I don't know, 1/2 cup or so. It doesn't really matter. Just kind of eyeball it. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of kosher salt. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. That looks good. Now just kind of mix it all together here, and then we'll get it into the toaster oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on that until the rice is cooked. It's been about 25 minutes. Let's see how this looks. I think that's good. I'm going to get it out of there. I'm going to stir this up a little bit so we can see how the rice looks. Oh, it looks nice and fluffy. Kind of get it all mixed together. The peas look a little bit dry on top. Kind of mix it up. I think they'll soak up some of the moisture from the rice a little bit. Look how fluffy that rice is. That's turned out really nice. Look how fluffy this rice is. And the Spam floated on top, so it browned up a little bit too. Anyway, let's try a bite here. That came out good. Texture of the Spam is really good too. Annie seemed pretty excited. Geez, you like Spam a lot, Annie? You're up and dancing around an awful lot there. I guess so. Well, that was easy and fairly inexpensive. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.